decimal to binary conversion. See how a decimal number is converted to binary. We will see a decimal number is from 0 to 9 with base 10, and a binary is series of 0 and 1 with base 2. So we need to base 2. So we need to divide this decimal number with 2. So let us take an example, say 48. So how it is converted to binary, we will see now. So this 48 is divided with 2, base of binary. So 2 2s are 24 and remainder is 0. Divide in this way and note down the remainder. Repeat till it is not divided by 2. So division is completed. The first got remainder is LSB and the last bit is MSB. Now note down these binary values from MSB to LSB. So 48 binary representation is 110000. So a decimal value is converted into binary form in this way. So if we want to check whether it is correct or not, we can do it. So total number of bits is 6. So take the powers of 2 till n minus 1. So from LSB to MSB I am checking here. So 110000. So starts from 2 power 0 to and increases the powers till n minus 1. So take the powers of 2 and multiply with the corresponding bits. So I am doing here and note down. So 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 1, 32. 16 into 1 and 8 into 0. 4 into 0. 2 into 0 and 1 into 0. 32 plus 16 plus all are zeros. Something multiplied by 0 is a 0. So total 48. It is correct. So in this way we are converting a decimal to binary. Let us see one more example. This is a 3-bit number. That means with 3 decimals I am taking. So binary conversion is decimal we need to divide with the base of binary, that is 2. So I am dividing and noting down the remainder. So up till when you will divide until it is not divided by 0. That means until you will get 0, or repeat the process till the value which is not divided by 2. That means till 0. So I am doing it. Divide, and the last obtained remainder is the MSB and the first obtained remainder is the LSB. So take down from MSB to LSB, or you can take from LSB to MSB also. You need to write from right to left, and I think this is better, writing from left to right. So this is the decimal value converted into binary. 10001110111. So again you need to check. So total number of bits are 10. So the power of 2 increases from 2 power 0 to n minus 1, that is 2 power 9 from LSB to MSB. You can check, or not every time need not to do this. Now I will convert a decimal number with fractional part. So how a fractional part is converted into its binary equivalent we will see now. Decimal to binary conversion we know by dividing the decimal point with 2 you will get the binary conversion. But how to convert this fractional part 0.8125 into its equivalent binary? So for that you need to multiply the fractional part with the base of the binary. That means 0.8125 you need to multiply with 2 and obtain the result, and you should note down the carry. That we will see. First we will convert 57 into its binary equivalent. For that we know the procedure. We need to divide with 2, 28 is 56, remainder 1, and repeat the procedure till the last remainder. That means till you get 0, that means which is further not divided by 2. So I am repeating. So note down the LSB and MSB. Note down the binary equivalent from MSB to LSB. So that is 111,001. This is the binary equivalent of the decimal value 57. Now we will see the binary conversion of fractional part. So for that, as I told you, multiply this fractional part with 2. So that I am doing now. So after multiplying we will get a value. So note down the carry. That means before the fractional part, after multiplying you will get 1 or 0 something you will get. See here 0.8125 we are multiplying with 2 means you will get 1.625. So before the decimal point you got 1. So take down it as carry or remainder. So I am taking as carry, it is better. And again multiply the value after the decimal point with 2 and note down the result. Before the decimal point you are getting a value, take down as carry. Here you are getting 1. Even if you get 0 also you can note down. So 0.25 means you will get 0.5. So before decimal point 0 is the 0 is present, take it as carry. Again multiply 0.5 with 2, 1.0, 1 is carry. So now there is no further part to multiply. So stop down. So take down the value. First obtained carry is MSB, last carry is LSB. Note down from MSB to LSB. So total binary conversion of this decimal point with fractional part is 111,001 and 1101. So you can also check whether it is correct or not. So how to check? So after the decimal point you got 1101 as binary equivalent for 8125. So for that you need to take powers of 2 with negative values. So and you need to multiply with the corresponding bits as you have done for the decimal value. For the pure decimal value you have taken the positive powers of 2. Here you need to take the negative powers of 2 starting from 1. So this is the positive powers. So now take 2 power minus 1 the corresponding bits. 2 power minus 1 into 1, 2 power minus 2 into 1, 2 power minus 3 into 0 plus 2 power minus 4 into 1 and note down. So 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 divided by 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So here I am writing 1 by 8 into 0 is 0. So directly I am taking 0. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 1 by 16 is 0.0625. So add all this. So I am doing it separately. 0.0625 plus 0.25 you will get 25 11. So change it. 3125 plus 0.5. So 8.8125. So this is correct. So we have obtained the binary equivalent of fractional part also, and we have checked it. So this is the way we need to convert a decimal value with fractional part into its binary equivalent. The procedure is you need to multiply with 2 and obtain the carry. Hope you understood.